Ooh, you all seem real interested in what's in this container. But who are we gonna use it on first? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of these ear finger wipes for dogs. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Did you know that your dog's ears can get gross? And these are actually really easy to use to kind of clean some of that gunk out. This girl especially, and this girl especially, because they always tend to dig in the dirt and kick dirt into each other's ears. These are actually pretty nice, and I'm going to show them to you real quick. If you're wondering what's in these, you can read it right here. Mostly pretty gentle stuff. I will say, I just opened it and it smells amazing, and as you can see here, you can pull one of these out. They're little finger wipes. So I can put that on my finger and stick it in your ear. That's what I'm going to do. So, as I said, you can stick your finger in it. Basically, this side opens up, and then you can put your finger right inside here. Ta-da! And now I can clean out the ears. All right, Eleanor, you ready? Now, if you're going to use these on your dogs, you don't want to go deep in their ears. Just like with you. See, just barely the tip. Look at her. She's like, oh, it feels so good. I know. So basically you just put the tip of your finger in there and you kind of rub around a little bit. Look, can you see that? Look at the dirt that came out of her ear. I'm telling you, this dog digs and throws stuff and she gets dirt in her ears. And we actually do this quite often, so I wasn't even sure if dirt was going to show up. You have dirty ears, ma'am. Dirty ears. Okay, so what I was saying before she moved around, I gotcha, you're good. You don't want to push hard, and you don't want to go really deep down into their ear, like just the tip of my ear, and I kind of tend to make these circle motions. Is your leg kicking? Does that feel that good? You want to be very, very gentle with this. You don't want to hurt them. All right, let's see. Your leg's kicking. I can't get your leg kicking on camera. Ready? Pull it out. Oh, Eleanor, you're grosso. Look at you, grosso. Look at this, grosso. That came out of your ear, ma'am. That's gross. Dog hair, dirt, sand, and everything. We gotta do your other ear now. Yeah, whether you like it or not. Another thing I want to note, and this is just a personal preference, when I go to do the other ear, I always get a new one. This is basically just if there's something going on in there, you don't want to spread it from one ear to the other. So we got a new one. I'm going to do the other ear real quick and show you what that one looks like. Eleanor, this is gross. Holy cow. We just cleaned your ears out not that long ago. She was digging just a few days ago, though. So I totally understand it. But yeah, that's ear number 2. They definitely work. What do you think? Is it your turn next or your turn next? Let's see how dirty the other dog's ears are. So I did Kira's. I used 2. This is the second one I used. There's like nothing on it. So Kira, you're pretty good at keeping your ears clean. All right, Memphis's first ear was clean. Look at her. She's like, oh, that does feel nice. Again, very gentle, small circles. You can see with her just barely in the ear there. Not deep, nothing like that. Let's see. This one's pretty clean too. Yeah, just a little bit right there. You got clean ears too. All right, second run on Eleanor's ears. Much, much cleaner. Still a little bit, but not much. So yeah, the dog that digs has the dirtiest ears. If you guys are looking for a really easy, convenient way to clean out your pet's ears, this worked. Clearly, it worked, because clearly somebody had some dirty ears. Maybe that's why you don't listen. We recommend this.